Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers. In this session, we will understand how to solve word problems. Here we have one example. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all 4 days. Before understanding how to solve word problems, keep 2-3 points in your mind. Whenever you have to solve the word problems, first read the word problem twice or thrice to understand the words used in the word problem. Then write the information which is given in the word problem. Then think about the solution. Which operation we should do? Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? Which one is needed? Then do the sum and finally write the answer. Finally write the therefore sentence. Here we have to find out the total number of tickets sold. So first we will write the information which is given in the word problem. Tickets sold on first day, second day, third day and final day. As we need to find out total number, we will add all 4 numbers and the answer is 7707. At last we write therefore sentence 7707 tickets were sold in total. I have another example. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Shekhar wishes to complete 10,000 runs, but he has already completed 6,980 runs. How many more runs are needed? Here we need to find out the difference between 10,000 and 6,980. Before solving the sum, let's write the information which is given in the word problem. Shekhar scored this much run and he wishes to complete 10,000 runs. Then find out the difference. The difference is 3020. So Shekhar needs 3020 more runs. Another example. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number. That can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3 each only once. In this sum, first we need to form the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number using these digits. Form greatest 5-digit number, we will write all this number in descending order. 7, then 6, then 4, then 3 and then 2. That is 76,432. Reverse this process, reverse this order and you will get the smallest 5-digit number. That is 23,467. In this sum, here it is clearly indicated that find the difference. So here we are doing subtraction and the answer is 52,965. So the difference between 76,432 and 23,467 is 52,965. Next example. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. That means daily the machine products 2,825 screws. How many screws did it produce in the month of January? Here we already know the number of the screws produced per day. We need to find out the days in the month of January. Days in the month of January equals to 31 days. Here we got information that 31 days are there in January and this much screws are produced per day. Now we need to find out the total production of screws in the month of January. So we will multiply both the numbers. As a result, we got 87,575. Example is, to stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 semi cloth is needed out of 40 meter cloth. How many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Here first we need to convert the units which we have learnt in previous session. First convert 2 meter 15 semi into centimeter and 40 meter into centimeter. Then we will divide. 1 meter equals to 100 semi. So 2 meter equals to 200 semi. Here we have 2 meter 15 semi. So 2 meter, that is 200 semi, plus 15 semi is 215 semi. Now we are going to convert 40 meter into semi. As we all know, 1 meter equals to 100 semi. So 40 meter equals to 4000 semi. 100 into 40, that is 4000 semi. Then do the division. Divided by 215. Here we got answer 18. 18 shirts can be stitched and remainder is 130. That means this much cloth will remain. So 18 shirts can be stitched and 130 semi. If we convert it into meter and semi, that is 1 meter and 30 semi cloth will remain. I hope these examples are enough to understand the concept of problem solving, word problems.